Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I will be sharing some cool tips and tricks that will help you in packing your baggage for your trip abroad. So I won't be sharing the basic and the most obvious ones like choosing the dimensions of your luggage, keeping the specific type of clothes, medicines, and stuff like that. I will be focused on some of the unique things which you can do that will really help your packing and that can be a game changer for you. So starting with the vacuum bags. So I added almost all of my majority of my clothes in this one piece, and this weighs around 6 kg and it fits in the half of the suitcase. If I did it directly keeping all the clothes in one place, it would have taken a lot more space. So using something like this can make your life a lot easier. They also give you a pump, and you take the oxygen or the air out of it, and then it becomes a vacuum bag. One of the things which you can do is get these vacuum bags. They are super helpful and it will make your life much more easy. So do check this out. The second thing which I would highly recommend is to get these organizing bags. So what these bags do is you add different kind of stuff in them and then you place them, organize them in your suitcase, so everything will be organized. For example, you can keep your shaving stuff in this one. You can keep your summer clothes or your shirts in this one. You can keep different things in different organizing bag and just organize them in your suitcase, so that when you arrive you can quickly take out the thing which you need. So everything will be very organized and will make your life much easy. So the third tip which I would give you is to buy an extension wire. So I got this one, and the best part about this extension wire is that it got 3 USBs and 4 switches, and these are universal switches which can work in Europe as well as the US as well as the UK. And since I'm going to France, so this design would work in France pretty well. So you can like check this out and buy it online, and it will make your life very easy, since most of you would be traveling for your studies and would be living in an accommodation, so you will be needing a lot of switches. So this is a great help for you as well. Let's go towards the fourth tip, and the fourth tip is to get a travel wallet. So here's a travel wallet. In this you can keep your passport, and even there's a space for another passport, so if 2 people are traveling they can keep their passports together. And this place is for your cards. It can be your ID card, your driving license, your credit cards. Everything can be placed in these. Here's a space for keeping some notes or some kind of paper, while in this side you can keep cash. So you can keep your notes, your coins, whatever you want to keep, you can keep it here, and if you keep some paper here you can always use this pen. So this is a travel wallet which you can buy from any online store, or you can find in your nearby shops, stores, etc. So this will be a great help while you're traveling. Everything is safe and it's very easy to manage, and you can take care of just this wallet instead of keeping a lot of bags and everything for all these things. Okay, going forward towards your luggage. So when you're done with your packing, make sure you label your luggage, write your name and details, so that in case if your luggage is misplaced, the airline or whoever finds out can send it to your address or contact you. So that can be a good help. Apart from this, weigh them and weigh your luggage before leaving for airport, so it will be a great help for you and you won't be embarrassed in case the airline asks you to remove some of your things. So it's better to do it at home. So these were the 5 tips which you must consider while packing. Apart from this, all the general guidelines which you must have heard from your friends, families, and from other videos is keeping basic kind of clothes, medicines, utensils, and everything. Just make sure, keep it light. Don't take a lot of things, then it will be very hard for you to manage in case you are a student. You would be going to a new country and there are a lot of stores and a lot of things you can buy from there, so don't take a lot of things from here. It's better to buy from the country where you're going. The things you would buy from there would be also inclined with the fashion in that country. So that's all from this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you have more suggestions that people can consider, feel free to mention in the comments. So that's all from this video. Bye bye, take care.